Oh, look at this ring light. Mamma mia, molto carina. Oh. Oh. Hi guys, hi YouTube, hello viewer, welcome to the Ladyttv channel. I want to welcome all my new and old subscribers to my channel. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for your support and love and everything. Guys, this video is going to be too short, so this is unboxing video, guys. Yes, let's see what is in this box. Surprise. So let's go, guys. This is from at last. So guys, this is from AliExpress. Yeah, I bought it from AliExpress, but it is actually from Italy here because it took only 3 days to be here. So when I ordered it, I saw that you can order it from Italy, from France, from Germany, from Australia, from Russia, from China. So I clicked the one from Italy. Since there's Italian one shipping, so this is from Italy. You can see it, and this is Neewer. Mark. Yes, let's see, guys. Oh, I love the packaging. Well, under 3 days, guys, go and check it out. Yes. The address, everything. It is from Italy here. So it came with this box. I don't know what is in there, and it came with this. We are going to see. Then this is the ring light, and this is 18 inches. Yeah, this is LED ring light. Is that all? Yes, it is all. So let's go. Let's see how this can be fixed. Last year I ordered a ring light when I wanted to do the review. The ring light fell down and broke. I think last year, yes. So since then I was angry, but this year it teaches you how to mount it. So let me try. See? Okay. So you must make it to click. Put another one. Another one. The last one. So guys, I have this stand, my lights, extra light stand, the one that usually come from your head. So I'm going to use this stand for the ring light. think this is how it works. Okay, it's not moving. It is not moving anywhere, so we have to put the mount. So this will go here. See it. Okay, this is okay. Then we'll fix this. And guys, this came with the plug, the Chinese plug or London, I don't know, American plug. You can see the both came together. You can use any one that fits yours. This is the one we are using here. Else you have to go and buy another something to add there before you plug it. So this is the one I'm using, plug. See it. So we take this. This is the plug. Plug it like this. So guys, let's try it out. This is it. You have to on it from the under here. You can see it. Wow. Then here you have to put your phone. Hi. Let me switch off this light. You can see here is dark. So let's on it. Ooh, bomb, guys. So today's video is about ring lights. How the ring lights, you can lower the lights. You can see it as you want. If you want, you can change it to this dim light. So everything will be yellow, but I love white. You can see it when you dim it. Hi guys, hi YouTube. Without, it will make your face to look more smoother. I love it. So guys, this is it. This is Neewer Pro Quality Amateur Price ring lights. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I love it. So guys, thank you for watching. Congratulations, Ladyttv. Oh yes. So next will be getting a camera, a beautiful camera. Before this year ends, I'm going to get a lovely quality, great camera. Without, low, medium, high. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Grazie, grazie. This is my hair.